Insert the adjustable shank bar into receiver tube on the tow vehicle and secure with a hitch pin and clip. If needed, insert a reducer sleeve to create a tight fit for shank bar. Position the head assembly on the shank. Slide the head up or down to the nearest bolt hole alignment position, which corresponds with the target ball height. Mark the position on the shank. Install washers over short adjustment rod. Install the head on the shank at marked position. Insert the hex bolt through the washer and then through the lower hole in the head channel. Rotate the head forward as far as it will go. The ball should be vertical or tilted slightly back. If it is not, remove the short adjustment rod and replace it with the long adjustment rod. You can also change the number of washers on the rod and reassemble. Install the remaining bolt with washer through the upper slotted hole. Install a second washer on both bolts. Start nuts and finger tighten only. Tighten the top hex bolt just enough to hold the head tight against the pin in the head channel. This bolt will be tightened later. Lower the coupler onto the trailer ball and close coupler latch. Do not retract jack fully at this time. Allow the jack to support some of the tongue weight. Lubricate and install spring bars. Raise the front of the trailer and back of the tow vehicle approximately 3 inches with tongue jack. This will allow easier installation of the chains onto the hook of each lift bracket. Position the spring bar, which has been attached to the hitch head, parallel with the trailer tongue. Hold the lift chain vertical up alongside the trailer tongue. Position the lift bracket on the trailer tongue so that the chain is centered between the lift bracket. Caution: if chain is angled fore or aft at the top within the lift bracket, it may catch on the lift bracket when the trailer is turning. This could damage the lift bracket or pry it open. Mark the location of the lift bracket on the trailer tongue. Depending on the width of the frame, install a bolt into the threaded hole in the lift bracket. Turn the bolt in until it contacts the trailer tongue, then tighten a quarter turn with a wrench. Do not over-tighten. Before raising or lowering the lift bracket, raise the front of the trailer to reduce the spring bar chain tension. Slip the marked chain link over the hook on lift bracket. Using the handle, raise the lift bracket up and over center so that it is fully seated against the mounting bracket. Secure by inserting clip through the lift bracket and mounting bracket. Be sure the chain is not twisted and hook extends through the link. Lastly, tighten the top and bottom hex bolts on the head assembly. Next, install the sway control bar. Begin by attaching the sway control ball to the ball mount using the hole provided. Secure in place using a spring clip. Measure 24 inches straight back from the center of the coupler to determine the location of the spacer plate. The trailer-mounted attachment ball must be centered on the 24-inch measurement. Transfer the punch holes from the spacer plate to the trailer frame and drill 11 32/2 holes. Attach the spacer plate and trailer-mounted attachment ball to the trailer frame using the self-tapping screws provided. Turn the on-off handle 3 turns counterclockwise to release tension. Place the main body socket onto the trailer-mounted attachment ball. Secure in place using a spring clip. Turning the on-off handle clockwise, tighten firmly until the handle is parallel with the main body.